What is the #1 question on most tenants' mind when they are looking for a place to rent? Does it have laundry? This unit does not have laundry, but 2 buildings down is a beautiful laundromat. Tip for all landlords, if you are not going to have washer and dryer or washer and dryer hookups in your units, make sure there's a laundromat close by. I am back at the 3 unit to show this thing again. I've been hosting a couple open houses on it, and I've got a handful of people showing up, but only one would show up. So they'd take the application and then they would disappear. So got 6 more people lined up today, and we're gonna go see if we can find somebody to rent this place. What will $900 a month get you in Hagerstown? Let's take a look in here. We've got fresh paint. Floors were nice and cleaned up. We've got a great living room space here. I would use this middle space as my bedroom because yes, this is an efficiency. You got some good natural light coming in. Kitchen, good stove, sink, fridge, cabinets. Walks out to the backyard. And check this bathroom out. It's pretty large. So we got a storage closet there. And the tub shower. So what do you think? Is it worth $900 a month? Hello.
Hi.
Are you here to take a look at the apartment?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, perfect.
The two gonna live in.
Yes, ma'am. Well, come on in. Got all the stuff and everything. I like it.
Yeah.
Well, come on in.
Nice place.
Thank you.
Wow, that's really nice.
Thank you. Successful trip to Hagerstown. We had 7 people through. I only knew of 5 that were coming. So with 7 people through, all but one of them took an application. So we're gonna see who's gonna qualify and who I think is gonna be the best fit for this efficiency unit. Stay tuned to see who wins.